Okay, now I'm trying to record this one using the lossless video codec. This is for my certification that I downloaded. These are my files that I work on practicing for HTML. Before also, I have another file. Oops, on my computer. Here it says Village at 8 Learnings. These are the files that I downloaded. Files from the website, tools, and the screens here. And let me open up one. This is ready for my certification. Okay, this one is the first image. You can see it. So I'm trying to minimize the video here so it'll be clear. If I upload it on YouTube, you don't have to do it full screen. I'm using the software Cam Studio that I downloaded. This one's other site. This is the original screen file that I downloaded from Village at 8 tutorial website. This is the for stream image. As you see, I'm using my Office Picture 2010 edition on my laptop here, an old laptop here. So I'm just trying if this will be a good quality video also. Alright, next image is this one, the screen 4. File name is screen4 PNG that I downloaded for practicing or to create a HTML website here. Now let me take you to the file that I work on for my certification. The file here is this one. I uploaded it and sent it to Dirk already. This is the original, my original files that I work on. Like this one is the first one. Okay, let me resize my Notepad++ window so you can see it. Yeah, there. Alright, this is the file I created, and then also this is the CSS part of that. Okay, there's the CSS part, and the CSS codes that I use here are just basically from what I've learned so far. So this might not be the best, CSS techniques, but I'm hoping that I can get certified and move on to the next lessons, so that I can, improve on my coding. Alright, there. Some CSS. Screen 1, so I named it Screen 1 CSS based on the project Screen 1. Just copied some, description and content here for. So yeah, this is this encoding layout that I created. Okay. Alright, that's it. And when I open it up, of course, the index, the screen 1. I hope I can make this video in 1 minute. So yeah, so there. There's the whole thing, and then let me zoom it in for, okay, as you can see, hopefully I can say that based on the guidelines I was able to maintain the aspect ratio there. It's not overflowing and it stays the same all the way, like when you zoom in and zoom out. Okay, this is the default part. Okay, now let me move to the screen 2. Open that up. Okay, here this is the one I created. I don't have the same type font on the power to serve, so I just leave it there. I suppose I can, next time I can make it, I can learn how to copy the text or just use image here to maintain the type of font for the logo part of the website. And then here it's a search button. I used form here, and this is the text part. As you can see now, this is not an image. I can select it. As you can see, it's selectable because of the codings here. Open with it. Okay. The title is screen 2. I put my name here. Okay. I used the straight line to separate the menu items there, and then the CSS part of this is here. Okay, the practice I've noticed is that you have to set everything in default here, so, and then just change to whatever you need on specific styling for the specific section or part. Okay, this is also I captured this image. Yeah, I just the header. I used just a paintbrush to erase all the text here from the original screen. So it's the image that I put on the header for the screen 2 project. Also, now let me show you the screen 3. Now on this one, since I've started dissecting the image and using the images that one by one, I only use this image and it's been cluttery, so I put it in a folder like this. This should not be here, just okay. And then the CSS, I put it under a CSS folder here, and then I put the name of the index HTML. This is the word stream of the third screen project. Scroll it down, and then there's, I know the part only is on the screen. It's only a part here, the white part, but I just add a folder to make this a little bit, but I don't know if that's not included there, the footer, but and then there's you can see this is selectable, and I guess it's a button I created here, but this is not an image. This is display block on the a tag. So you can see I created here a box with, I tried to copy the gradients here, but actually the image here at the bottom is the only thing here. This is another button that I created with border and gradients, CSS gradients there. And this, I guess, this word selectable now. As mentioned, the certification, this is selectable, and this the wave is only the image here, but this one is selectable, and then all the fonts here are selectable because this is the unordered list. This is also a submit button with process link to process ph, but we don't have that yet. I don't know how to code that, but I just made it ready for the CSS application that I'll be learning in the future. And the last one, see, it's selectable. And let me try if this is on the right fit. If I zoom out, yeah, still stay the same. Nothing loose there. Okay. I reset it to the same size now. Let me take it to, and the last part here is screen 4. This one is the same. They got a lot of images here to manage, so I put it in one folder. So yeah, this is the only image I cropped from that image. The logo, the red more button. I was trying to look up a polygon to avoid using image here, but I'll do that later. But for now, I just use the button here to make it to this shape. Okay, and then CSS also in this folder. Now let's look it up. Let me show you the original screen for that. This is the original screen image. Using the picture viewer here. Okay, yeah, there. This is the original screen image. Let me check it. Okay, there. So you can see it. Yeah. So that's the original there, and this is my work now, an HTML rendition of that. Okay, let me zoom it out. As you can see, this is the logo, still image here, but I have here the toll free. This is Arial, and then the links to individual let's see, it's selectable. Okay, yeah, now this is fluid, that's selectable. This is the image, and those are text. Those are text here. Okay, I also included the W3C here. It's out of context, but just to show that I've checked this through validation, so that's why I have that. What else? Okay, so that's it, and this is my work here on Firefox. So let me check that also. Yeah, it stays in place. So I zoom it in, reset size. Now let me zoom in. Okay, it stays there. I hope I pass the certification, and so I can move on to the next lessons. My teammates, I've been contacting them, but they don't have any reply yet. So this is already August 10 in my local time, 11 a.m. And so just for submission, I created this video as stated here in the certification. Okay, create a 5-minute video showing demonstration of the assignments you have completed for this course. Upload the video to YouTube and send a link to your mentor. That's what I'm doing right now. The upload is zip containing all the assignment you built. I already submitted that to Dirk, but let me see if I can upload it here. I guess I uploaded it here already. This is my profile and Village at 8 for certification. Okay, alright, there, it's uploaded, so it's ready. And these people here who are certified now, certified students here. I want to be listed here, maybe one of the certified student. This concludes my video for this requirement. Thank you very much and hope I get certified.